we are the three cars that left on Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian and QT out of 70. And the leader of our pack here is Mike and Marty. Scott and Andy's in front of me. And just the three of us. Beautiful day. Heading to Columbia Cup in Columbia, Missouri. That's not good. Well, we're off the highway. Oh. We're stopping here, it looks like. Corvette Club entrance. Oh, wow. We now have stars in our club. Movie stars, that is. Look at this. And of course Scott doesn't get on camera.
Well, she talked to me first.
Oh, she talked to you first?
No, it's actually my wife's car. You probably want to talk to her.
Oh, that was nice.
You could take the glasses off.
Uh-oh. Getting directions.
1st of January, we picked it up, and we got it because we wanted another convertible. And it's just we have the windows treated here, and it's a neat car to have, because everybody looks at you.
Okay, right now we are on a poker run. My very first one. I don't have a map. I'm just making sure I follow Rod's car in front of me and not lose sight of him. But we're out in the middle of no man's land right now. We left at 2:30 this afternoon, and it sounds like it'll be a lot of fun. Weather's great.